So guys, I'm back again with another video. Today I'm going to share some Valentine gifts for your spouse. Love is on the air. Yes guys, you guys know Valentine is around the corner. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your baby girl Mama? What's up? So if today is your first time stopping by to my channel, you are highly welcome. Yeah, my channel is all about cooking, lifestyle, hairstyle, talk videos. If I see any video that caught my attention, I can as well film it. So if you are a lover of all these things I just mentioned, please, why don't you do me a favor by smashing that red sign that says subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. Yeah, I normally upload videos on weekly basis, and to my OG returning subscribers, I heart you guys. I love you guys. Thank you so much. So without wasting much of your time, love is on the air. So guys, as you guys know, Valentine is around the corner. Today I'm going to share gift items you can share without breaking a bank, without robbing a bank, on a budget. Yes. And number one gift items I'm going to share with you is that you can give your lover, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your husband, your wife, anybody. Yes. So number one gift you can give to your spouse is you can buy rose flower. Yes, and card and Valentine card. Maybe create your own Valentine card, write something nice, write something nice on it, like happy Val, say something you want to say inside. Just make it simple and attractive. Yeah, just buy a rose flower with a Valentine card and send to your spouse, to send to your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your wife, anybody, as a gift. She will appreciate it very well. And the number two gift ideas you can share to your spouse: package gift of baskets. Yes guys, you can make a package gift of baskets, like go to shop, like let's say Audi, Lidl, or anything. There is this package gift, is always in a basket. You can just buy it depending on what you want, or you create your own package gifts. Yes, on a basket you can create your own package gifts, like wine, chocolate. Just pick one or two things inside and make your own gift package and send to your loved ones. They will appreciate it so much. Yes guys, and you can add it a Valentine card on it, write something beautiful inside. The other gift items that you can give to your spouse is you can buy a nice perfume, if you know her type of perfume, or you can just buy a nice perfume that you think he or she will love so much. Yeah, so that is it guys, and she will be so excited, he or she will be so excited to spray it, and to spray it on, and smell good for you. You understand what I mean? So the other gift idea I would like to share with you, number third gift idea I would like to share with you, is that you can buy a chocolate box. Yes, you can buy a nice chocolate box, package it in a nicely way and send it to your loved ones, your friends, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your husband, your wife, them as a Valentine gift. They will appreciate it without robbing it, if you are on a budget. Yes, because I'm talking for the people that are on a budget. You must not spend all your money just to prove a point, just to prove that you want to celebrate Valentine, or you want to show that you love the person so much. The other gift items I think that your spouse will love so much is that you can buy a slippers or a sandal. Yes, just a simple slippers or a sandal. Very beautiful, look for something very small and nice. Like there are some nice beautiful slippers and sandals you can give someone as a gift. You can just go to shop and buy any one of them and give the person as a gift. The person will appreciate it so much. So number 5th gift idea that I think your spouse will love so much is you can also buy boxers. You can just buy a packet of boxers for your husband, for your boyfriend, for your fiancé. Yes, you can buy a boxers on Valentine's Day just as a gift for he. You can also buy pants. Yes, you can also buy pants, inner wears for your girlfriend, for your wife, anybody, they will love it so much. Yes, and package it very nicely. So the other one gift in my list that I'm going to share with you is you can buy handmade jewelries, simple jewelries that are not very expensive and is very nice, quality ones. If you go to shop, you can see quality jewelries that are not very expensive, that is affordable. Yes, depending on your budget. Yeah, you can buy it for anybody you want to. Just buy a Valentine card, write something beautiful inside and send to the person. They will appreciate it so much. And the last but not the least in my list, I'm going to share with you that you can give to anybody, be you who. You can buy a nice teddy bear. Yes, a beautiful nice teddy bear, and send to your loved ones, send to your friends, send to your spouse. Yeah, a very portable nice teddy bear, depending on what you can afford. Yes, you can also make a pillow with her photo or with has her name as a gift. So beautiful people, I believe I have come to the end of this video. If you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. Please share your thoughts at the comment section down below. I hope this video will be of useful to you. So I'll see you in my next upcoming video, because as of now I am out. Ciao.